Tonight, a high-profile prosecuting attorney is suing the state of Missouri over its abortion law. It's playing out as part of another lawsuit brought by faith leaders here in St. Louis. 5 on your side's Mercedes McKay was inside the courthouse as this hearing unfolded, and she joins us in studio live. Mercedes.
And Jackson County prosecutor Jean Peters Baker filed a petition a couple months ago. The longtime Democratic prosecutor's jurisdiction includes most of Kansas City. But today, her lawyers were in St. Louis Circuit Court as the legal battle over abortion rights in Missouri continues.
Your Honor, in August of 2019, the Missouri General Assembly passed some of the most extreme abortion restrictions in the country.
Inside the Carnahan Courthouse Wednesday morning, a high-profile prosecuting attorney joined the legal fight in Missouri's abortion case.
We commend Jackson County prosecutor for being here today and for protecting the rule of law and access to abortion.
As someone who is tasked with enforcing criminal laws of the state, Jean Peters Baker is concerned about how prosecutors are supposed to interpret the abortion ban.
Separate church and state.
Baker's lawsuit coming on the heels of another one brought by more than a dozen religious leaders in St. Louis back in January.
We are bringing different claims, but we support her efforts.
Michelle Henry is one of the attorneys representing the 7 different faith communities in their case. They believe the ban on abortion violates the separation of church and state that is protected in Missouri's Constitution.
We believe that everyone should have the right to make healthcare decisions that are appropriate to their faith beliefs.
As for what the state was arguing Wednesday, Solicitor General Joshua Devine says Baker's confusion about the law doesn't create a legitimate case.
You can't just sue because you don't like the abortion laws that are on the books. You have to have an actual injury. You have to be asserting somebody's rights.
Even though no decision was met and court only took about an hour, the state believes Wednesday's hearing only slowed down the legal process as a whole.
I'm really confident in our ability to actually win this lawsuit in the end. I'd like for us to be able to speed this up.
Now, one of Baker's other big concerns with the ban is whether or not women could potentially be charged with crimes in the state for having an abortion. Now, as for that original lawsuit brought forward by those faith leaders, lawyers just started the discovery process, so no trial date has been set just yet.